Hey, it's Ben here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review and giving out the pros and cons of a new software coming out called AzonStoreHub. And what this does is this is a new software that's going to help you build affiliate sites. And yes, it seems like there's a lot of these different affiliate site builder softwares out there. To be honest, I wasn't really even interested in reviewing this right at the beginning, but I did find out that there was an interesting twist to it. And it's actually something that a lot of customers of mine have been asking for that they've been struggling to get results with, and it's not available in all the other store builders out there. And what this is the one of the twists are there's a bunch of different features, but one of the big thing is that you can build affiliate WordPress site. So it isn't like hosted on Azon Store Hub servers. It's something that you can control, or you can have them host for you. But you can build affiliate sites through this cloud dashboard. So you log into your AzonStoreHub cloud dashboard, and then right here you can see you can add new WordPress site to build affiliate WordPress sites or affiliate WordPress stores from. And you can create a site from scratch, which will be hosted forever on their servers. Or you can connect an existing site like a blog you just bought. It's hosted on your server, or maybe you already have a blog that you've been adding content to, but now you want to monetize it. You can connect an existing site, and the way this works is this is how it works here. So first, here's an example of a store that was just built using the self-hosting option, which is hosted on AzonStoreHub servers. And what it is, this is what it looks like. What you'll do is you'll get to name your store. So you're going to go in here and let's just do an example. So for example, say you wanted to create a paleo diet niche site to try to make some money on a WordPress affiliate site. You would give the title here. You would choose your URL for your site, and all of them would be created with this .rsoldhere.com. Now, as far as that, I'll get into that a little bit later about sharing stores and stuff with other people, but that's not too bad of a main domain. It kind of makes sense. So it would be like paleo diet bars or paleo diet equipment.rsoldhere.com. You can enable SSL, which is important. And then you can go here and edit your store. You can log in. No one else is going to have your login username or anything like that. They can't log in and switch out your Amazon keys or anything like that. So only you would be able to log in and optimize it and add themes and stuff like that, or additional content. And then you can check it out here. And of course, you can log into the actual store itself. Only it's hosted on AzonStoreHub servers. And then here's a very bare minimal type example where it shows different coffee products that we've imported. We're going to go over how to import the coffee products in a second here. And then say we want to buy now. What it will do is, or if you want to click on this, what it will do is it will let you set up, just like Amazon is, different things where you can, it will import the different images so people can see it. There's a buy now button, and if whenever you're ready, connect your Amazon affiliate account. So if they buy, they'll go to the page to buy it, just like that. And there's also some ways that you can import the description or add your own description. You can import reviews from Amazon. There's no reviews for it. And then you can add your own video, and actually it will even add a buy button to the video as well. It'll make this little video suite here where you can see different examples of videos that relate to it or what's in it. And then it'll have a related products thing, just kind of like Amazon below. So that's what it looks like. And again, you can log into this software, even though it's not hosted on your server. You can log into your site here and optimize it and add a theme or change it around or anything like that. Now, of course, what you can also do is you can add a already site that's connected already. And you can see here that here's our coffee products. One has free hosting, free subdomain. Now this one, the gym store, it has third-party hosting and a third-party domain. So instead of using the rsoldhere.com, you can connect your own domains. So for example, like mygymstore.com, and then you go here to edit, and then you can log into your actual WordPress site here and edit it. Only the benefit of connecting it is that you can automatically search for products and add them just with one click instead of screwing around with the code. And that was one of the things that a lot of people said that they were unhappy about. Was for some of these softwares or some of these store builders, first if it's just a store that's hosted on some sort of cloud server, it's probably never going to be able to rank in Google. You really need something like WordPress to really fully optimize it and go in there and keep adding content, or installing things like Yoast SEO to really get it to rank. But the problem is with some of the WordPress site builders, it's kind of over the head of a lot of people. They just really wanted something that they can quickly set up, quickly set up a Christmas store or a Halloween store to make some quick cash. Nothing where it would take like a month for them to try to figure out or hire a developer. And with this, it looks pretty easy that you can quickly set up your own store to test something or connect a different additional store, and there's nothing really too complicated about it. Now, how do you get the products? Well, you're going to go to this Amazon products section here. And then we can search for keywords, you can search departments, you can filter by different prices, show only available products. That's important. Sometimes these affiliate store builders, they import products that you can't really buy. So here is, I'm going to search for coffee. And what's cool about this search, something that's different, is if you hit this keywords here, it will show you all the keywords that you can rank for. So whenever you import this, you can go into the WordPress and edit the description and try to rank for all these different keywords. If someone types in, Folgers Classic Roast things, and then they can buy it, they can find your site, and then hopefully they click on your link to go buy it. And also what you can do here is, here's the import button. You would publish this to the site of your choice. You can also check out the related and frequently bought together products. And then you can quickly, publish selected products. You can bulk import them, so to speak, if you just want to import everything right away. And of course, you can just click on it to check it out in Amazon and see the reviews and what people think, and if it's something that you would like to add to your store or not. And then they also have some cool things like the price and the sales rank. So the higher the number, I guess in this case the lower the number, the better it's selling. Then you have saved searches. There's something called favorites where you can say some of your favorite products. You're going to create additional stores but have those same good products in it. And then there's also another feature where you can get the content. Now what this is each month you're going to get an additional a pack of private label rights content. And let's take a look at this. So there's a bunch of articles that you can one-click publish to your store, or you can one-click publish them and then log into your site and change them around and kind of curate it, add your own introduction and stuff like that. So it's not completely copied and pasted. You can download it and edit it on your computer if you want. And then depending on what version you get of this, there's different levels where you're going to get more. I didn't really see any way to know exactly what niche these articles are going to be, but each month apparently you're going to be getting a bunch of new articles depending on what version you get that you can publish as content. And also you're going to be getting commercial rights images that you can publish as well, as a lot of people are just searching Google Images now for product related stuff, and then you can rank in Google Images as well for a bunch of different products that you'll be able, or images that you'll be able to get that are decent quality that you can use. And also there's like an My Image Vault. If you have your own images, you can publish them and host them on the AzonStoreHub. And there's also something called domain search. Now this is for something, say for example, we created some WordPress sites that were on the .soldhere.com or rsoldhere.com domain, meaning that we didn't host them, we just hosted them on the Azon Store WordPress site. But it's something where we want to take it to our own domain, and now we want to scale it as like a big business where we have full control of it. Well, this is where the domain search would come in, where you can filter out, if you just want .com, .net, .info. Then you would enter a keyword here, and there's more extensions. But and then what it would do is it would come up with coffee.org if it's available or not. And then they have some suggestions like right now all these suggestions are taken. Here's one: coffee and end table sets, coffee and Jesus t-shirt, coffee and tea maker. That might be a good one, like a coffee and tea maker type site. And then you're getting the main domain for that if anyone searches for it. Coffee beans whole, you can do like whole coffee bean products. These are ideas that also you can use for your own store, niche ideas as well. So overall, that's how it works. The main benefits, of course, being that you can now create these one-click sites pretty easily, but it is on WordPress, so you don't have to go through the headache of trying to figure out more complicated plugins or hiring a developer to get it set up. And you can use your own hosting, your own WordPress site, or you can just one-click and use this rsoldhere.com. Now, some of the the drawbacks of Azon Store Builder. Well, if you're using this self-hosted domain here, rsoldhere.com, there's a chance that there might be another guy who's using it or someone else who buys it who decides that they want to use some spammy backlink or thing, and they send a bunch of bad backlinks, and it hurts the whole reputation of the site. and maybe you're making like $2,000 a week or something with a coffee product idea on oursoldhere.com, but someone else on the site with like another different store, they kind of screwed up the ranking for you. So you don't really have full control of your business. Now this is something I think is good to test out ideas really quick, and it's going to save you a lot of time if you have an idea, or just to set up something like the holidays, like you have like Christmas is starting or Black Friday starting in 2 days, and you don't have time to buy a WordPress or WooCommerce product with a theme and try to install it yourself, and you just want something quick. Something like that could work as well, or to test out ideas. But again, it could be like Squidoo. There's something called Squidoo.com. If you know what that was, it was this kind of a store builder type site that it was really easy to rank #1 in Google for. But eventually, Google kind of caught on and really penalized them, and then now they're kind of out of business. So it might, you don't want to have something that go the way of that. And then also, as far as like this content and stuff, private label rights content, you're probably not going to, rank for any serious keywords or maybe even rank at all. It's really about making sales with affiliate marketing. You need to give the people some reason to actually come to your site and buy from you, whether you're adding extra bonuses or you're doing your own review of the product or something that, they can't just find going straight to the store, and that they should probably search in Google or stumble upon your site or even, share your site to get traffic, because you're adding some additional value, and you're probably not going to find that in this private label rights content. Just being honest, putting that out there. So obviously you're gonna have to put in some initial work. I haven't really seen the sales page, but sometimes the sales pages say that all you have to do is press 3 buttons, and now you're gonna be able to quit your job. It's not quite that easy, but it is possible to make some money from affiliate marketing if you're doing it right still. And of course, the benefit with Amazon products is, people, you don't really need to do any hard selling like I'm doing right now. You can just kind of put them up, and either people are going to want to buy the product or they're not. And there's already a bunch of sales and stuff too, because they're physical products. So anyway, if Azon Store Builder looks like something that can help you, then it's going live for a very low price and lifetime access for early bird users. And you'll be able to get a bunch of bonuses as well if you buy it through my link and you thought this review helped you out. So it's going live at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and thanks for watching this video.